In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move deals through Pipeline in Monday.com. We're starting on the Monday.com homepage. From here, the goal is to access the board where your sales process is organized. If you use Monday.com to manage leads and opportunities, your pipeline gives you a clear visual overview of where every deal currently stands. That makes it much easier to track progress, prioritize follow-ups, and keep your sales workflow organized from one stage to the next. Once you're on the homepage, click on Sales Pipeline. In this example, that's the board we'll use to manage deals. Moving deals through your sales pipeline is important because it reflects real progress in your sales process. As conversations develop, leads should be updated to the correct stage so your team always has an accurate view of what's happening. It also helps with forecasting, reporting, and making sure no opportunity gets overlooked. Now, on the sales pipeline board, locate the deal called Akimi Corp Lead under the New Lead stage. To begin moving it, click and hold the deal card, then drag it across the pipeline. This drag and drop layout is designed to make updates quick and intuitive, so instead of opening the item and manually changing fields, you can simply move the deal visually to match its current status. For this first example, drag the deal into the qualified stage. Once you drop it there, the pipeline updates to reflect that this lead has moved forward. This feature is useful because it allows you to instantly categorize leads based on how far along they are. A qualified lead typically means the opportunity has been reviewed and meets the criteria to continue in the sales process. You can also drag the same deal, or another deal, into the negotiation stage. The process is exactly the same. Click, hold, drag, and drop it into the appropriate column. This is helpful when a deal has progressed beyond qualification and is now in active discussion around pricing, terms, or final details. Using the visual pipeline in this way keeps the board accurate and easy to scan at a glance. To reinforce the process, drag and drop another deal into a different stage as another example. This shows that the same action applies across your entire board, no matter which deal you're updating. The main benefit of this feature is speed and clarity. Your pipeline becomes a live, visual representation of your sales activity, helping you and your team stay aligned without extra manual work. And that's how to move deals through Pipeline in Monday.com. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.